Yes, hello. Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah, okay, great. So please introduce yourself.
Sir, I have done my 10th from Bihar State Examination Board
Okay.
and 12 from Bihar State Examination Board. I
Mm-hmm.
have done my BSc LLB from Central University of South Bihar in session 2015 to 2020. I have done my LLM from National Law University Jodhpur in session
Mm-hmm.
2020 to 2021.
Okay. So you have done your integrated course, LLB and BSc,
Yes, sir.
right? So do you remember any subjects of BSc?
Yes, sir. Chemistry,
Chemistry and
yes. Physics, and life science.
life science. What is life science?
Sir, it is all about cells and sir, um, cell के regarding cell structure था. Then sir, organ transplant
Mm-hmm.
and it is all related to environment
Okay.
and yes, sir.
All right. And since you have studied chemistry also, so you might be aware about the covalent bond.
Yes, sir.
What is covalent bond?
Sir, it is a bond. It is a weak type of bond between sigma and I'm not recalling, sir, right now.
Okay, no problem. So you have studied BSc till, I believe, in till second year,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay. And that is from which university?
Central University of South Bihar.
Central University of South Bihar. And thereafter you have done your LLM. LLM in which field?
Corporate law.
Corporate law. So what all subjects you were having in that corporate law?
Sir, it is law of taxation,
Hmm.
investment law,
Hmm.
competition law,
Hmm.
uh, project finance,
Hmm.
and merger and acquisition.
Okay. What is merger?
When two companies by merge together by share by merging of shares, then it is a merger.
Okay. So this merger is governed by which law?
So it is governed by company law,
Okay.
Companies Act 2013,
Okay.
and also SEBI Act.
Okay. What is SEBI Act?
So SEBI Act mainly deals with the matters related to security and exchange of the foreign investment and um, also
What do you
related.
understand by the term foreign investment?
So when any investment made by foreign individual to in Indian uh, companies, then it is inbound investment. And when Indian company made any investment to foreign companies, then it is outbound foreign investment.
Okay. Okay. All right. And what was your topic of dissertation in LLM?
So it is big data and privacy, abuse
Big
of
data.
yes, sir.
Big data and privacy. What is big data?
So it is a vast amount of data collected by companies which is accumulated in big amount, and it is used for the purpose uh, to provide us uh, uh, resulting ये एक डेटा है जो वास्ट अमाउंट में है, वास्ट वेलोसिटी में है, और इसे एक्युमुलेट करते हैं फॉर देयर ओन पर्पसेस.
फॉर देयर ओन पर्पसेस. तो ये तो क्या नाम है, अच्छा, बिग डेटा और प्राइवेसी आपने बात करें, प्राइवेसी के ऊपर एक रीसेंट जजमेंट है, रीसेंट तो नहीं, लैंडमार्क जजमेंट है, आपको याद है?
केस पुत्तु स्वामी वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया।
जस्टिस के एस पुट्टास्वामी।
यस सॉरी सर।
ओके, तो क्या हुआ था उसमें, क्या हेल्ड हुआ था?
सर इट इज रिलेटेड टू आधार का जजमेंट दैट आधार जो है वो हमारे राइट टू प्राइवेसी में आता है,
हम्म।
और इसे बस गवर्नमेंट अपनी सब्सिडरी के लिए हमें प्रोवाइड करने के लिए बस गवर्नमेंट इसे मांग सकती है।
हम्म। ओके।
बाकी ये प्रोटेक्टेड है राइट
ऑल
टू
राइट।
प्राइवेसी के
सो,
अंदर।
ऑल राइट, जयश्री, व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज?
सर एक्चुअली माय हॉबी इज टू ड्रॉ मेहंदी डिजाइंस।
वेरी गुड, मेहंदी डिजाइन्स, ओके। ऑल राइट, एंड what you do in your free time?
सर आई यूजुअली मेक डिजाइंस।
ओके, ऑल
यस
राइट,
सर।
ठीक है। एंड do you have any inclination towards sports?
नो सर।
Okay, okay. And Jayshri, what is your areas of interest?
Sir, it is all about law and its implications.
Okay. And what do you understand by the term specific performance of contract?
Sir, specific performance of contract, it means when a contract is breached by a person, then the person who suffers the loss, then he can act by the contract or by enforcing the कोर्ट के द्वारा वो उस एक्ट को इन्फोर्स करा सकता है। दिस इज द स्पेसिफिक परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट।
Okay. And injunctions? What are injunctions? Jayashri, can you hear me?
यस सर।
What are injunctions?
सर इंजंक्शन इज टू रिस्ट्रेन and to restrain a person to do
Hmm.
anything, mainly टू किसी के राइट को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए ये कोर्ट के द्वारा रिस्ट्रेन किया जाता है कि आप वो काम नहीं करेंगे।
Okay. And Jayashri, can you put some light upon the writs that is given in
यस
the
सर।
Constitution?
सर rates is provided under section 32
Section
by
32.
article 32 of Indian Constitution, by which a person can enforce his fundamental right before Supreme Court under Article 32 and before High Court under Article 226. Uh, there are five type of writs: writ of habeas corpus, certiorari, quo warranto, prohibition, and mandamus.
What do you mean by mandamus?
So mandamus issued against public authority to do certain acts
Okay,
which he required to do.
okay. And what is suit of civil nature?
So suit of civil nature means every suit which a civil court is competent to try unless it is expressly barred or impliedly barred by the said act of civil procedure code.
Okay, okay. All right. And uh, tell me about the various talaqs in Muslim law, the types of talaq.
Sir, talaq, mainly talaq is of two types: talaqul biddat, talaqul sunnat. In talaqul sunnat there is also a two type: talaqul hasan, talaq e ahsan.
Hmm. Yes.
In talaq e ahsan, the pronouncement of talaq is by only once in during the period of tuhar, and after pronouncing talaq, it become irrevocable form of
Mm-hmm.
talaq. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And in form of hasan, form of talaq, the pronouncement of three talaq in uh, uh,
To her.
three to her period,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and it become irrevocable after the third pronouncement of talaq.
Okay. And there is a there is a latest development in the talaq, that is there is a criminal charges also, right? What type of talaq which has been criminalized?
Talaqul biddat.
Talaqul biddat. Okay. What was that?
Sir, in this type of talaq, the word talaq is pronounced subsequently like talaq, 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 and it become irrevocable after pronouncement of third talaq.
And do you remember any judgment on it?
It's sir, I cannot recall, but if you allow me, I can guess.
Yes, please.
Sir, is it Shaira Banu versus Shah Banu Begum versus something?
Okay. All right. ठीक है. And हक शुफा क्या होता है, जयश्री?
Preemption,
What is
in which
preemption? Mhm.
सर हक सुफा में होता है कि जो पर्सन एडजॉइंट है हाउस के, तो उन्हें पहले इफ वो उस प्रॉपर्टी को ट्रांसफर करना चाह रहे हैं, तो उन्हें पहले राइट होता है उस प्रॉपर्टी को खरीदने का.
ओके. ऑल राइट. तो ये इसकी कुछ टाइप्स भी होते हैं?
आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल सर.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है. एंड व्हाट आर द ग्राउंड्स ऑफ डाइवोर्स इन हिंदू लॉ?
सर देयर आर 7 grounds for divorce in Hindu law. Divorce can be given on the basis of cruelty, desertion, uh, then if a person has converted religion, if he renounce the word, if he become unsound mind, no sir, if it become impotent, and if he does not hurt for 7 years, etc.
Okay,
And
so
ground on mutual consent.
okay, and you have skipped one, that is adultery.
Adultery. Sorry, sir.
Adultery, is there any case law related to adultery also?
Yes, sir. There is a case.
Tell me. Recently, the Honorable Supreme Court has decriminalized one section in IPC.
Yes, sir.
Are you aware about that fact?
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
Uh, can I take 2 minutes to think about it?
please.
Sorry, sir. I cannot recall it right
Okay,
now.
no problem. It was Joseph Shine,
Joseph Sain versus Union of India.
right? कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. So, who has delivered that judgment?
Sir, can I guess?
Yes, please.
Sir, it is by Justice Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud.
Okay. However, it was delivered by Honorable Justice Deepak Misra, then Chief Justice of India. Okay. All right. Okay. Uh, and further, uh, you have studied Transfer of Property Act.
Yes, sir. During my LLB.
You have studied transfer of property during your LLB. Okay, tell me, what are the types of mortgages are there?
Sir, there are five type of mortgage.
Mm-hmm.
English mortgage,
Mm-hmm.
simple mortgage,
Mm-hmm.
Yusuf tree
Mm-hmm.
mortgage, then mortgage by deed,
Mm-hmm.
and sorry, sir, five
Anomalous mortgage,
anomalous mortgage. Yes,
right?
sir.
Simple mortgage you have mentioned.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. And what is frustration of contract, Jayshree?
Sir, in frustration of contract, uh, firstly, a contract is made, but due to certain unavoidable circumstances, it become unenforceable.
Hmm.
Then it become frustrated
Okay. And
due
what is
to
and Mhm.
destruction of subject matter, change,
All right.
change. Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, what is anticipatory breach of contract? How it is different
And
from breach of contract?
sir, in anticipatory breach of contract, contract is breached by the promisee.
Mhm.
Sorry, sir. In which can I guess, sir?
Sure.
Sir,
आप
in
हिंदी में
anti
बता सकते हैं.
सर इसमें आइदर प्रॉमिसर के थ्रू वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो है वो अ, उन वे बोल मतलब वो ब्रीच हो जाता है, वो नहीं करना चाहते हैं, तो ये एंटिसिपेट।
Okay. Okay. And what is doctrine of severability?
डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ सेवरेबिलिटी इट्स मीन व्हेन कोई भी लॉ है उसमें अगर उसका एक पार्ट जो है वो फंडामेंटल राइट्स को ब्रीच करता है, देन उस पार्ट को, देन पूरे लॉ को हम इनवैलिड नहीं करते हैं, बस उस पार्ट को जो इनवैलिड पार्ट है उसको सेवर कर देते हैं,
And
देन
if
इट इज
and
अ
if that part is not severable,
if that part is not severable, if it is intrinsic to the law, then we have to make that law invalid,
okay.
void.
All right. Okay. ठीक है. And what is judicial review?
So judicial review is the review made by uh, Supreme Court or High Court. It is a power given to Supreme Court or High Court to review any act and law if it is violating any fundamental rights of citizens.
Any article associated with judicial review?
Yes, sir. Judicial review can be done uh, under Article 136, I guess.
Okay. All right. And what are precepts?
Precept issued by the court, by the civil court, that to the another civil court, that uh, that certain immovable property will certain immovable property को कुछ कि वो उसे ट्रांसफर से रोकना है, ऐसा ऑर्डर पास किया जाता है टू डिफरेंट कोर्ट फॉर अप टू 2 month. It is that order is enforceable for 2 month.
Okay.
It
And
is
what are
provided under
commissions?
So commissions issued to by the court regarding investigation of any cases.
Okay. Okay. And is there any section or provision associated with it?
Section 76
Okay.
of Civil Procedure Code.
Just a minute. Okay. Tick. So, all right, Jayshree. I'm concluding it over here, right? Just wait.